Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lock your Toyota Highlander with the engine running. This is a common need, perhaps to keep the air conditioning or heat on for a short period. We will cover the most reliable methods, focusing on using the physical key blade hidden within your smart key. Understanding these steps ensures your vehicle remains secure while providing comfort. To use the physical key blade, first find the small release button on your smart key fob. Press it to slide out the hidden metal key. With your Highlander's engine running, step out and ensure all doors are fully closed. Now, insert this physical key into the driver's side door lock cylinder. Turn it clockwise to engage the lock, then remove the key and gently pull the door handle to confirm it is secure. This method is highly reliable. When your Highlander's engine is running, the smart key system behaves a bit differently. While it usually prevents you from locking the smart key fob inside the vehicle when the engine is off, this safety feature may not apply when the engine is on. Therefore, it is crucial to always have your smart key fob with you, outside the vehicle, before you lock it using the physical key blade. Always double-check all doors are secure. For an even more convenient option, if your Toyota Highlander is equipped with Remote Connect services, you can use the dedicated smartphone application. Simply open the Toyota Remote Connect app on your device and select your Highlander from the list of vehicles. Then, locate and tap the lock command within the app's interface. This sends a signal to your vehicle, securing all doors remotely. Always confirm the lock status through the app or by visually checking your Highlander.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.